So here is the handheld sewing machine, or what we can call the stapler sewing machine. See it right here. Now to pass the thread, we have the device. We can have the reel thread like this, and then if you have longer one, then you can pass it also. Now for the smaller one, we have this little parts that we need. We have these little parts. For the longer thread, we use this smaller thread reel. So you bring it, see there. It is for longer one, longer thread reel. See it? So we are using this smaller reel today. Have it? So what do? Smaller reel, pass like this. It onto the machine holder like this. You have the thread. Okay. Put it here. Now take the thread out like this. See the base? Here is the base. Hold the thread holding disc. Back. See, that's keyed front. Back. Bring the thread to the hole right here. Excess thread, bring it back, after you have passed it through this hole. Once again, next pass it through the thread holding disc. Now when you take it to the thread holding disc like this, take it to the disc, let it enter to the disc on a 360 degree, bring it out. Alright? See now? From there, pass it through to the needle. See the thread holding device, machine. Pass it. Then machine is ready to sew. Easy to use. Just hold it like this. See my thumb, this one part, my fingers under the machine. You need to press it down like this onto the fabric. So hold it this way. You are holding your stapler. Press it down. Let it go into the hole. Let's see how to sew that. So we have a fabric to be sewn this way. under this plate. Push it into the point you want it to be sewn. Like this. Then you need to press. As you press once, you need to draw it out from the inside. Hold it gradually, pressing. Do that as you continue to sew. It's not sewing. How to solve the problem of not sewing.